Hi guys, my name is Annette and this is Maya's Budgets. I'm a 29-year-old cash budgeter and I have a 5-year-old beautiful wild child, and we're just over here trying to survive inflation. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then subscribe, comment down below, and keep watching. So today we are actually stuffing my mom's binder. So if you guys have been watching since I first uploaded, I believe I uploaded in August or September. One of the two. I believe I had mentioned that this binder back here is my mom's binder, and when she was ready that she would stuff and I would stuff her amount on my channel. She has stuffed before, but as we mostly all do, you know, we stop and then we just pick it back up whenever we can. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It'll probably be a shorter video. She is stuffing $400 today. So for her videos specifically, I won't be saying her income. She isn't stuffing her whole paychecks. She will just be stuffing a certain amount that she chooses, and then we will go from there. So like I said, today she's stuffing $400 and it's all 20s because she just wanted to do it out of the blue one day, and so we just did it at the ATM, and they only had 20s, so I couldn't pull out any 10s or anything like that. So anyways, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. So we only have, what, 4 5s? But that's all right. I'm just happy that she's stuffing. Like I say, I feel like stuffing is something that everybody should do. I feel like it just gives your money a purpose, and there's just so many good things about stuffing. I just think everybody should do it. So I'm happy that she was able to this paycheck, and hopefully going forward, she'll be able to as well. Let me see if this will stay down. I'm so sorry. I am sick. Well, not sick. I think I just have like a sinus infection. You guys can probably tell in my voice, but don't mind that. Tell me what you guys' plans are for Thanksgiving. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, let me know what your plans are down below. Are you hosting? What's going on for Thanksgiving? Or do you have to work? I'm sorry if you have to work, or if you do Black Friday. I'm hosting this year, so I'm a little stressed out. I feel like hosting, you always get a little bit stressed out, but it'll be fine. It's one day and it'll be okay. So she is putting $20 into her Disney. And we just went to Disney, but obviously we're gonna want to go again next year. So saving even 20 bucks every paycheck, or that'll give you like your ticket or something. A little bit goes a long way once you're saving for something like annually. I know it doesn't feel like it, but something is always better than nothing. She's putting 40 in her vacation. I know we want to go to Hawaii, so I don't know exactly where her next vacation she wants to go, but Hawaii, that's always our goal. So car tags, she's putting 50, so 20, 40, 45, and 50. Emergency, she's going to be doing 60, so 20, 40, 60. Y'all, I did do my nails, but don't look too close because they are truly atrocious. I'm a person that can never do my right hand myself, and these are press-ons. Girl, they do not look good, but don't judge me because I tried. Do you guys do like press-on nails? Because if you do, how do you make it like look good? Because mine always look literally atrocious. Her car maintenance, she's going to be doing 60, so 20, 40, 60. Her car payment, she's not going to be doing because she obviously has that set aside already. Car insurance, she's doing 100, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I believe our car, because we have our car insurance together. Does that make sense? I don't know. And I believe our car insurance is due in October, November, December, January, February, March, April. In April? Does that sound right? Yeah, April, something like that. So luckily we have some time for that. Christmas isn't getting anything. Birthdays is getting 30, so 20, 25, 30. And then new shoes. This is a woman who always loves to get new shoes, so I figured why not make an envelope for her new shoes. So she was really happy about that, so we're putting 40 in for new shoes. This woman does not need any more shoes, but hey, if you have money saved for it, by all means. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I'm so happy that she was able to stuff this week. Like I said, hopefully she continues to stuff because it's nothing but beneficial. She knows that, but you know, she's obviously the woman that taught me everything I know about budgeting and, you know, finances and what to do, what not to do with my money. You know, she's wise. She's been through some stuff. So yeah, you know, there's some things that you just have to do on your own. Like, I don't know, co-signing for someone. Don't do that. Don't do it. Anyways, I'm glad she stuffed today, and I hope she stuffs next time. Leave a comment down below what your plans are for Thanksgiving. If you're hosting, if you're doing anything, if you celebrate. If not, do you do Black Friday? Let me know. But I'll see you guys in my next video. So I'll probably post on Friday my cash stuffing because I was supposed to do it today, but I was way too sick and like tired to do anything today, so I didn't even go to the bank for myself. So I will hopefully go to the bank tomorrow and then film my cash stuffing on Friday. So I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.